Welcome back everyone to Pontos Fathom Hobbies. This is our paint through video for Tainted Grail Last Night. We've got the Last Night expansion miniatures, Sloan and Dagon. We've also got the Pack Mule. We're also doing the Tainted Grail companions here. We've got some of the Tainted Grail companions on the board. We'll get these painted up. I'll start out with a quick black flat prime with a zenithal prime, and then we'll get into the miniature painting. We'll take a quick close-up of the minis too, and then we will jump into the paint through. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, we're going to apply our first base coats onto the minis. For Dagon and Sloan, the character art from character sheets, Sloan kind of has an Elric look to him. Dagon also very washed out, bluish looking, blue-white looking kind of Dagon almost looks like a frost giant. Sloan kind of looks like an Elric. So I'm going to take a little bit of flesh tone, water it down with, or actually gray it out with a bit of deck tan. Mix that in, and then that'll give them that kind of look. And then I'll also put initial coats on the companions and the mule. Pontos Fathom Hobbies is brought to you by the books that we produce. We've got the 6 volumes of August Moldenhauer and Giuseppe Balsamo's Cat 2 Journals out of Lovecraft's Providence, including the Hermeticism of Hastur, Genealogy of Cthulhu, Necromancy of Nyarlathotep, and also featuring our hardcover edition of the Cat 2 Journals. We've also got the 3 volumes of August Moldenhauer's Artificial Psychoanalysis Desiring Machines, also available in our hardcover edition. We've also got our podcast series featuring the Esoteric Saturn Mysteries, the Esoteric Dragon Mysteries, And also Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga, a deep dive into what makes Frank Herbert's Dune Saga resonate with us. We've got a special sponsor this month, Nereus Media, featuring Benson Magos' Flowing the Tears of the Flesh Android and the Trump trilogy ending in the God Emperor Trump. Finally, we've got our newest offering, The Alchemical Courtship in the Dreamlands, taking place in Lovecraft's Dreamlands. Each volume takes place in a different Lovecraft city. Aimless in the dream city of Cellophase, Hope's Home in Iron Domed Dalathleen, Stubborn Devotions in Thrawn with the Temple of Hypnos. Check out the bookstore link, check out our Patreon. Now back to our gameplay. Yeah, so we got the washes on the minis. I think they're looking pretty good. They've got a grim look to them, kind of monotone, but I kind of going with it. Just getting these ready for tabletop. I'm looking forward to jumping into Tainted Grail last night. We just wrapped up our Tainted Grail Red Death, so we'll get these on the board. I'll do a little touch-up on their flesh tone, and then I'll do a flyover for the minis, and we'll see you at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. got the companions here. I'll try to get these on the board in the next gameplay. I've never played with companions yet, but also we've got a number of seasons of Tainted Grail out there. We've painted through the Tainted Grail Fall of Avalon monster kit, the Mounted Knights. Now we're getting into the last night. There's still some more miniatures here to play, so you can go check out those other gameplay. And we've gone through the entire original Tainted Grail Fall of Avalon and Red Death. So go check out those videos when you can. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like and subscribe, ring the bell, you get notified when we play last night, Tainted Grail last night. Thanks for making it to the end. Check out the bookstore, and we'll see you in the gameplay. Take care, bye-bye.